Hello everyone, let's make glass effect in PowerPoint in super easy way. First insert an image, and duplicate the slide. Right-click on the image and go to the Format Picture. And then Picture Corrections, and reduce its sharpness level to 0. Then cut the image and go to First Slide. And fill the slide with picture fill. You need to click on Clipboard, as our image is copied. You can see the background is set now. Now I will add a circle. Align it in center. And fill it with slide background fill. To give this realistic look, I will add the gradient line to it. In which I will delete these 2 strips and take just 2 strips. Fill it with white color, and make the transparency of second strip 100%. Change the angle until you are satisfied with the results. Then go to Shadow, and add some shadow to it. Then the most important part here comes. Go to 3D Format. And select First Effect. Increase the width and height of it. I feel like I should change the angle, so we'll try more on this. This seems fine. Then edit the shadow part. Now add your text. Then I will duplicate the shape. You can see as it is filled with background fill, so wherever you will move, this will automatically take the background part and change. So now go to Shape Format, then change Shapes, and then change it to a round corner rectangle. Resize it. and add the additional text. You can also use this glass effect to highlight your text in the shiny and bright image. If you like this tutorial, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.